Hi everyone, I'm Pauline from Gitpod, and in today's screencast, I'll show you how extensions work on Gitpod. To install a VS Code extension in Gitpod, head over to the extensions view and type in the extension you're looking for. Prettier is one of my favorite extensions that I've used for years. Let's install it. You can install extensions in two different ways. The first option will install your extension in all your projects and is synced across all workspaces by default. The second option will install the extension for the current workspace only. You can also share the installed extensions with your organization by adding the extension on your gitpod.yaml file and committing the gitpod.yaml change and pushing it to your Git repository. These extensions are installed in the workspace / VS Code remote / extensions directory. You can also install your own extensions from a VSIX file. When installing a Gitpod, it does not list the extension anywhere in public. If you reference a VSIX file in the gitpod.yaml, it must be publicly accessible. Gitpod already comes with a number of commonly used VS Code extensions pre-installed by default, which you can view by searching at built-in. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any more questions, head over to our community Discord server over at gitpod.io/chat. We'll see you there.